So, good afternoon, dear students. Here we are, chapter 8, Birbal and the Cooking Pot. So, today we are going to discuss its exercise C, Think and Answer, and exercise F, Alphabetically. First of all, we are going to start with exercise C, Think and Answer. So, what is the question? Why do you think the washerman took the test? As we know that the washerman took the test that he should have to stand in the cold water of the river for the whole night. So, why he took the test? The answer is the washerman took the test because he washed clothes in the river's cold water every day. It means that he is washing the clothes in the river's cold water every day. So he think that if he had to stand in the cold water for one night, what is the difficulty? Because he is regularly washing the clothes in that water. So he thought with the money they could leave the well. Which kind of money? That the reward he will get after completing the task. So what was the question? Why do you think the washerman took the test? The answer is the washerman took the test because he washed clothes in the river's cold water every day. He thought with the money they could live well. So this is your exercise C, Think and Answer. Now just move to the exercise F, that is dictionary. Now what is the statement? Use a dictionary to arrange these words in alphabetically order. Now I have just write the answers. Don't look the answers. Just read the words like minister, majestic, magical and morning. Next, reward, reply, remind, revise. Now twinkle, twisted twice. Now as you know, these words are jumble. Now we have to arrange them in a dictionary order, or you can say in an alphabetical order. As you can see this picture, the bold words like ability, abject, ablaze, able, there are so many. And this is another example like first aid, first class, first fruits, first hand, there are so many. Now what is the alphabetical order? As you know, alphabets like A, B, C, D, E, so on to Z. Now when we are writing something in alphabetical order, we follow the alphabetic order. Like first of all we will write A, after that A, then B, then C, then D, then E, then F, then so on. As you can see in this page, this example, A, every word is started with A, and next word is B. You can observe B. Third letter is I, J, L, L. Now the actual thing, you have to find out the alphabetical order. For example, I comes earlier from J. Clear? Like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. J. I is earlier come than J. Okay. So like J, after L, then L, then next one L, M, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. There are so many. So in this exercise like minister, majesty, magical, morning, as you can see all these four words are started with M. Clear? Now we have to find the next letter, that is A. Now we are having two words next letter with A. Clear? So we will aside them, we will count the next letter, that is G or J. Who come first? G. Clear? So we will give the number first to magical and the second to majesty. Now two are left, minister and morning. Now who will come early? That I rather than O. Clear? So the second and the third you will do in the same way. What you have to do? You have to find out the alphabetical order, that's what is first, that is next, what is next, what is next. Okay. So these are the exercises of chapter 8. This is exercise C, Think and Answer, and this is the exercise F, where you have to use the dictionary to arrange these words into alphabetical order. I hope you all heard me well and you understand the exercises well. Thank you and have a nice day.